All right, YouTube, this video here, we have a 2024 Kawasaki 636 ignition, and we're going to use the new, what they're calling the Kawasaki 2021 Lishi here to pick and decode it. Now, I've already done this and cut a key for it. If you want to see the key being cut, check out the next video. It's going to be number 590 if you want to see the key actually being cut. I did that. I was not sure how to use this Lishi. Most of the 4-lifter Lishis out there, like Toy 48 or HY22, you do actually have to pick them twice, decode it, and you got to pick it back to the home position. So I thought this may be the same thing, but it turns out it's not. It just has an A and a B track, and what you have is you've got the odd numbers on the A track and the even numbers on the B track, but it's pretty simple. You just got to pick it once, take a reading, and you can just turn it back. You don't have to pick it again. So go and we'll try to demonstrate that here. And as always here, first thing is to get the Lishi all the way in the lock. And then second thing to do is try to get the camera in focus and get it in a way that I can actually tension it. Just a little bit awkward here, but I think we got it. All right, so go ahead and pick it like any other Lishi. We're just going to apply tension and just look for binders. So let's see, so we got one right here, two next to it right here, then you're going to have 3 going down, 4 going down on the B track, and just alternates like that, just on the A and the B and up and down. So like I said, pretty straightforward, and it decoded accurately too, which is always nice as well. All right, so we're just going to look for binders here. So we got nothing on number 1, nothing on number 2, 3, 4, and 5 is on the A track. Okay, got a nice click on 5, got some rotation, so I'm increasing tension a little bit. Got number 6 here. Okay, 6 is springy, and then 7 is springy. So go back to number 1. Okay, 1's binding now. Nice click on 1. Had to actually counter rotate a little bit to get that to set. Okay, 2 is binding, counter rotating again. Trying to counter rotate here without letting it go. Kind of awkward the way I've got it propped on my desk here. Okay, got to click on it. Almost dropped everything, but I think we saved it. Yeah, go check out number 3, which is going to be on the A track because it's an odd number. Okay, 4, 5 on the A track. Already set. 6 and 7. Okay, so let me go ahead and increase tension a little bit here because nothing was binding there. All right, now 1's binding. I've increased tension. We've got 1 binding again here. Nice click on 1. Let me make sure. Okay, 2 is still set. 3, 4, 5. All right, 6 is binding. Nice click on 6. Got some more rotation. You guys hear that in the background? I got stuff falling off a chair next to me. Ghost or something. Click on 7. So now 1 is set, 2 is set. Okay, 3 is binding. Let's click on 3, more rotation, and we're probably going to get an open right here on 4. And there we go, got it picked. So now the ignition's actually in the on position here, and we can actually take a reading. Try to just angle it in a way that hopefully everyone can see. All right, there we go. Got it in focus. And we'll just go in order here. So number 1 on the A track is a 1. 2 on the B track is a 1. 3 on the A track is a 2. Come on here, stay in focus. Okay, so we read, what did we read? 3, so we're going to go 4 on the B track is a 1. 5 on the A track is a 3. 6 on the B track is a 2. And 7 on the A track is a 1. So that gives us bidding here of, we got on the A track 1, 2, 3, 1, and on the B track 1, 1, 2. And so that's the, I guess last thing here, you don't have to pick this thing back like other Ford lifters here. You can just turn it back to the off position and pull the tool out. And then if you do want to see this thing being cut, here I have a video floating on screen. Hopefully you'll be able to click that and you can watch this key actually being cut. And if you do want to see the key in this video, got it right here. So that's the Kawasaki, what they're calling the KLR keyway. Picked and decoded. So you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.